What's up, guys? Another day here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Today we're going to be working on the 66 Healey. We are probably going to clean the engine bay, degrease it, and I put some gas in the tank and let it sit for about a week, swished it around. It's got a drain plug on the gas tank, so we'll see what comes out of that. And that's about it today. Well, I might do the tune-up on it too. Film that. Got everything right here that we need. So yep, let's get to work. I just degreased the engine and everything. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm tired of getting oily and dirty. I'm feeling that I gotta take a shower after working on this damn thing. So it's all degreased. All jacked up on jack stands. Safety first. And as you can see down here, there is the drain plug right there. So let's see what comes out. Oh, and I cleaned out the trunk because there's no sending unit all the way around this. It goes up on top, I think, the sending unit, so I'm forced to drop the tank, but I want to see what comes out of it first. And the trunk is not too bad. Check out the trunk. Got little speakers, but it's not too bad. Pretty clean. And I think this was yellow before. See that? So I got painted red. That's cool. Alright, let's see what comes out of that gas tank. Oh, I did take the top out that was in the trunk. Man, they ruined it. They had this in there, and I think it leaked all out or something. I don't know, but you go check it out. And I'll check this out. Got all four. Not bad. I'm gonna clean them up. And here's the original jack. The spare, which is gone, so we'll put a tire on that. But let's go check out the top. I hope it's not ruined. But check it out, man. See how, look at, there's oil just pooled up, man. So I'm gonna attempt to clean it right now, see what happens, see what the other side looks like. Okay, all right, well, all right, so let's see what comes out of this thing now. Make sure there's no washer there. Shoot, it is 2 gallons. How much is this? Let's do our math here. Crap. Well, I'll get another container just in case. Oh wow. Seriously? No gas? Huh, doesn't look too bad coming out of it. You see the drops are pretty clear. Why? Well, I only put 2 gallons, but still, man, more should be coming out. Nope. Oh yeah, that is pretty dirty. Let's see here. Alright, so I took off the hose, and yeah, we are gonna have to see how it's pretty clean on the sidewall, and then there's rust. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to drop it and take it to my buddy's shop and get it cleaned out. I could probably do it myself, but I'll take it over there and have him pressure test it and clean it out. That sucks, damn it. I cleaned it, came out pretty good. It's not bad. Just letting it dry. I think there's still oil left on it, but there is a rip. Yeah, damn it. So we might just stitch that up real quick. I don't know how much these things cost, or if they're available or not, but at least he has the hardtop on it. So all right, gas tank is out. Let's see, let's get the light here. So yeah, it is pretty bad. Alright guys, that's gonna end another episode of Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Sorry I didn't get to do the tune-up. That'll be on the next video, so we'll do the tune-up on the next video, but at least we got the gas tank out, see what's going on with that and the top and all that. So until next time, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that little bell at the bottom. It tells you when I get new videos uploaded. Until next time, see you later.